Ladies and gentlemen, as a nation, we have a lot to be grateful to God for. Last year, on 14th February, we gathered at Nyayo Stadium to pray to God for rain. At the time, our nation was experiencing the worst drought in over 40 years. Some regions had missed 4 consecutive seasons without rainfall. There was no produce on the farm, and we were staring at a worsening famine. God heard our prayers and has blessed us with rain since then. Even when we had too much rain that we needed, we prayed again to God, and the floods subsided. Our farms are flourishing. The food security in our nation has improved, and this produce confirms that plenty has been found within our borders, just as our national anthem proclaims. This food that we are growing here is for the community here in State House, and it is not for sale. I just want to make it very clear from today. It is not to sell to anybody, but is to make sure that people have food, that the children that we see running, the children that belong to our staff, have something to eat. And we have started with sukuma wiki, we have started with spinach, but we'll continue growing more food. The Mama Kitchen Garden that we have just toured, and the source of the first fruits we will be handing over today, is a pilot of a national initiative that is being piloted by the State Department of Agriculture as a national food growing initiative championed by women. We want to see every woman having a flourishing kitchen garden next to their house, including families in urban areas who can adapt urban farming. A similar Mama Kitchen Garden will be established in all state lodges across the country, and the Ministry of Agriculture and county governments will oversee the rollout of the program across all counties. We also want to see every school establish a kitchen garden as a demonstration farm in support of the competence-based curriculum. This will make children knowledgeable on food production and the best ambassadors of similar kitchen garden initiatives at home. We have also been championing a related food security initiative dubbed Mama Fruit Gardens, where we are establishing commercial fruit orchards in public schools to supplement the learners' nutrition. This project is being implemented in conjunction with spouses of county governors and supported by various partners. The Mama Kitchen Garden and Mama Fruit Garden initiatives are part of our bigger plan to ensure that all our school-going children have access to nutritious feeding meals. This is at the core of our children's welfare plan, which further supports the enrollment and transition of all our children to the highest levels of education. Our school feeding program will supplement the ongoing county-based feeding programs across the country.
We've created within a very short time with the guidance of our First Lady. They've really done a good job.
Yeah.
Asanteni sana.